Did you restart?
Yeah, it's restarted. Okay, so is this a good idea to shoot this with the BB gun number 6? We're shooting a light bulb. We're gonna do it close range because as you heard us asking if we restarted, so yeah, we failed. Anyway, here we go. Let me put my hood up too.
Ready?
Fire. Miss.
I hit it.
Oh wait, you got it. You're right. It's smoking.
Should I shoot it again?
Holy cow, that's smoking. Hey, get her again. Went straight through it.
Did I fire?
Yeah. Oh, there you go. Whoa.
Did I fire again?
Nah. Oh yeah. Top part. Go ahead. I don't know how to do my phone. There we go.
So.
Let's come around the fence and see that. Is it okay if I go through this fence?
Yeah.
Okay. Come on. Unlock.
Open it. Push.
There we go. Okay. Let's see.
So is it a good idea to shoot a light bulb? Probably not.
Because it started to smoke for some reason.
Yeah,
This isn't
so
fluorescent.
I wouldn't recommend this. So this is the 6th video. And just to let you guys know, the videos keep getting more extreme as we go forth. So the next one will be amazing. It'll be more extreme than a light bulb.
Okay, well, that's it.